Alright guys, it's the M3 back at it again with another video. But today we're pranking my mom. And we stood to the end today is I cut my hand prank. And I hope you like this video. Watch to the end and stay tuned when we do the prank. Huh?
Can you fix the apple cider?
Yeah.
Like, put in lemon, ginger, apple cider, and garlic. That's it? That's just the powder one. So do it. Make sure you don't. Be careful, okay?
Okay. Ah, my arm! Ah!
What is wrong with you?
Ah! Ah! Ow! Ow!
Wah, pagka I think we got Bobby just a little bit.
Did you guys see that? Look at that. I got her. I got her.
Now,
I got
come over
her.
here.
Please like this video.
When you come over here, saw the blood.
Look at the blood, guys. Guys, I pranked her so good.
Or you can just do this.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so that was just a little bit of short prank that we did to mommy. Obviously you saw that your boy Marlon was trying to get a, prank mommy with trying to cut himself, and it was
Did you guys like that prank?
it was epic. Now it's just a little bit prank, but hopefully we got a little bit of that, okay? So.